OOTD for IKEA late night run. Sweater Shein, black yoga pants, aloe headband, and Uggs. Let me see yours, Sophie.
Denim hoodie. Then I got these from Target, and then
Let's go. Where are we going?
IKEA
For what?
to buy a coffee table.
We're here.
We're here in IKEA.
Welcome to our living room. In case you need to use my restroom, you're more than welcome to. Very nice. Baby, you want to use the restroom? Wow, Sophie, your room is aesthetic.
No one?
Wow. You getting ready? For what? Kitchen tour. Wow. One day. I found what we came for. A coffee table. We're in between this one or in black, or this small little one, or this one. Can I have a cup of tea? Oh wow. Can I pass to your kitchen?
Yes.
Wow, what a beautiful kitchen. But there's no food on the stove, lady. Put some of this on there. Wow, look at Adam's table. Oh, you're painting? Oh, what a beautiful painting. Oh wow, you're a chef.
A chef?
A chef.
And then we spin Adam with this. And then we have our pans.
Oh wow, I love a responsible man. Let me see, what are you playing?
Is that her name? Karina Garcia? Is this like her podcast?
Oh yeah, look.
Slime
This
queen.
is cute. I want my room like this.
No, I don't. Oh, I think people could actually sleep here.
Imagine under the clouds.
This is so cute. And what the? There's chakras up there.
It's a backwards.
What the hell? I need water.
We can't find our
We're
way
dying.
out.
We walked so much already. Finally, we made it.
We've made it out.
We made it.
Finally.
Now, let's look for our coffee table.
Guys, it's crazy. Okay guys, now we're gonna go check out over there. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go to the checkout because we need to check out first. We gotta see if it fits. Yeah, because we don't know if it's in the car. Because it's really big and we got the little car, not the big car.
And comment down below if you have been to IKEA. We got our coffee table.
Finally! We just need to buy coasters for the drinks.
But let's see if it's in the car, because they decided to bring the Honda.
That was you! You didn't want to go!
Instead of the Jeep. So we gotta see if it fits in the car now.
Or else we're gonna put
In
it on
that
top
little
of the
car.
So I did my new watch.
In that little car. And my husband decided not to put down the chairs. Nice, babe.
Putting in a thing in the little car. And where are we gonna sit? Because there's no seats. Like, bro, what the heck?
Chat,
Look at this.
chat, look at this.
The struggle, guys.
Anymore?
Guys!
Who decided to bring the Honda?
You! Jesus!
Oh no, back on! Oh no, back on!
Oh, it's so pretty!
Oh, there's back on. Here is the outcome. Our little living room is coming along. Cute. A little fall decor moment.